Hi there, welcome back to a new video. So in this video, I'm going to draw an anime character using all my pro artist skill. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But to make this video more interesting, I'm challenging myself to draw an anime character using only one color pencil and within a timeline of 5 hours. The challenge seems interesting, but at the same time, it feels impossible too. So, in case if I'm unable to complete the challenge, then I have to tear the complete artwork and restart it again. Even though the artwork might be left with 1 or 2%, then also I have to tear the complete artwork and restart it again. So, at any cost, I have to complete this challenge to save my time and mainly my artwork. So, let's get started with the challenge. So, there are 3 chits in front of me, which includes the name of the character and the color which I'm going to use on that character to draw. So I'm going to choose any one paper out of this and decide my anime character and the color which I'm going to color it with. So in the name of Muzan, let's pick one chit. I'm going to pick this chit. Oh, I've got Goku and I have to color it with using only one color, and that is purple. Without wasting any time, let's get started with the outline. So I'm using this reference of Goku for the drawing and the outline. Let's get started. Started with this outline and everything, but I don't know, something feels off to me. I'm not having any excitement or anything to draw this anymore. So I'm thinking of giving up on this challenge. But I've already started the video challenge and everything. I don't want to give up on this. So we'll do one thing. We'll erase it completely and draw this again. Finally, I've completed the outline of Goku. I hope it is looking like Goku. It's time for me to color this artwork by using only one color pencil, and the color I got is purple. So I'll be coloring this complete artwork with purple color. So to complete this sketch, the outline, it took me around 1 hour. So I'm just left with 4 hours. So in 4 hours, I have to complete this artwork. By seeing this, I feel his abs are not looking like abs, it's looking like pack of bun. So I'm using this purple, this color, to complete this complete artwork. So I'll sharp this, and without wasting any time, let's get started. Starting with his hair part, then I'll cover his body and the rest part. So let's see how it's going to come out. So I'm done coloring his hair. So this took me around half an hour. Next I'll be coloring his arms, hands and everything. I'm left with 3.5 hours. What do you think, guys? That can I complete the coloring within 3.5 hours? I'm excited for the final results. So you guys don't miss the end. Watch till the end. So as you guys can see, I've completed coloring this much and I'm left with another 2.5 hours. I hope I'll be able to color the rest part in 2.5 hours to complete this challenge. I'm feeling like taking some cinematic shots of this current artwork. So let's do it. We should do tonight. So if you guys remember, in school days there used to be drawing competition and everything, and most of the people would learn and come from YouTube. And in the competition, almost every person used to draw the same drawing with the same colors, everything. But at this time there is AI to generate new pictures and everything in their imagination and everything. But during our days when we were in school, there used to be only YouTube. where we used to learn the same drawing, and we used to draw in the competition with our memory, how to color it, how to shade, the exact shading and everything. It used to be fun, but enough talking now. I have to complete my artwork and the challenge. If I'll be unable to do that, I have to tear this beautiful artwork, and I don't want to do that. So now I'm just left with 15 minutes, guys, and I have to cover this face and these things. So I don't know whether I can do this or not in 15 minutes. I'll finish this fast and I'll let you know. The 5 hours time is completed, and as you guys can see, the artwork is not completely done. Still some parts are remaining. I've not colored it yet, but I think I've lost the challenge. So now it is time for me to tear the entire artwork. But I don't want to tear this artwork. It looks really good. I feel it really looks good, and I don't want to tear it. So let's cut it with the scissor. But wait, I'm still left with 5 minutes. So finally the complete artwork is done with this single color pencil and within 5 hours. Yes guys, I'm honest, it's done within 5 hours. I didn't expected this output, to be honest. It has really come out good. Hope you guys also like the complete artwork. If you guys have enjoyed this video and the challenge which I have done today, then don't miss to like, share and subscribe. Make sure to comment down how you like this video and rate it out of 10. I'll meet you in the next one.